Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Lockdown and all the pandemic and all that, Lord will still allow to survive, to live, to thrive, and we show success.
National President Jong Kasengsan Pertai National People's Party Konrad Congress Sangma Ubalong Ru Menteri Rangba Jong Kejela Meghalaya Hagakat Arteri Gubernai Nailar Arajar Arpuai Ula Plepat Ba Yaka Office Traikam Jong ke Parti Kabadan Delhi Harengkat Kajing Sakilang Jong Usembot Menteri Rangba Uba Preston Tensong Usembot Menteri Rangba Kejela Manipur Ujoy Kumar Singh Bat Kinongelam Jong ke Parti Niki Benta Bapher Jong Keri Bat Kuntubru UMP ke Raja Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi Bat ke MP Jong ke Lok Sabha ke Agatha ke Sangma ke National People's Party ke badai ke National Party ke Bapra Hagari India kalayo aban bo ik office traikam na ke Sorkar Pedeng haga 75th North Avenue hagani ke jingple pat ba ye ke office traikam na Sakhilang Ru ke Kurim Jong Purno e Sangma ke Soradini ke Sangma bat kuntubru yo National Vice President Jong ke Party Dr. Didi Lapang Kuman syukudoru hangni baka parti NPP kan day ka sengsan pertai ka badengkong hagani ka than sa tailam bingi ban yo ka office traikam hapo kanong ba Delhi halor ka nongrim baka day ka National Party.
Inauguration of the party office also is something historic in its own sense, and I've been getting some messages saying that some people are wondering how much did it cost to put this office, how much rent are we paying for it, and who's going to pay the rent for this. A lot of people don't know or don't understand that we don't pay anything for this office. This office has been allotted to the NPP. This is an official bungalow or a house or whatever you call it that has been given to the NPP because of the fact that we are one of the 8 national parties or one of the 8 parties that is recognized. So opening an office is not a big deal. Anybody can open an office. But the fact that this office has been officially allotted to the National People's Party because of its national status is what is the real beauty of this particular office. And no other party from the Northeast, at least, no other party has ever achieved this level. So therefore, it is really, in a sense, a really great moment for at least the people from the Northeast. And in the last few years, the NPP has been working and focusing on a strategy where we realize that let us start where our strength lies. So we started with our strengths. We started building on the opportunities which we saw in these areas where the vacuums were there. And that is where in Manipur we managed to move forward. In Arunachal, we managed to move forward. In Nagaland, we managed to move forward. And obviously, in Meghalaya also, we managed to form our government. And I'm very, very sure that in the coming days, months and years, starting with Manipur in 2022, I'm very sure that 2022 will give us our next Chief Minister of Manipur also. I'm very sure.
It is the pride to us, to our sons and daughters, that from a small state from the northeast can reach that height, which is possible. There mentioned say, one man with courage makes a majority, and we do it. Today, our party has reached this special day, a very wonderful day, successful day. That the party though is very small in number, but it's got a great vision and the will to win. And that's why we are sure to get this party office in the national capital, which others are still lag behind to have this appointment. We did it because you have the will to get.
If you check the record, especially from northeastern states, how many parties who has a setup, full-fledged setup here in the capital of India? Just very few. So we are really proud, we are really privileged in associating ourselves with this party. We are all leaders here. We are all important personalities here from different regions, not only northeastern states, but from different regions. What I would humbly request all of us, let us proceed forward. The flag of NPP, the dream of our late leader, P.A. Sangma. Of course, our special focus goes to northeastern state, no doubt about it, being the baseline of NPP, but we should not forget also, our wings should spread to the entire nation.
Ministers from different states and elected representatives from different states all have come today to be part of this program, and it's a historic day for the NPP and a historic day also for the people of the Northeast to have an office like this in the national capital. This office will also, apart from working for the party, will also be an office where the people of the Northeast will also get support, and we hope to help our students and other people from the Northeast who live in Delhi, who may face different challenges, that this party office is also your office. So you can always come and use this office also and get the help, whatever help possible from the party side to you. And we would like to dedicate this office to our founder, late Shri P.A. Sangma, under whose vision this party was formed, and it is his vision and his desire that this party should become a national party, and today it has. So it is a great day for us, and we dedicate this office to Shri P.A. Sangma.